Hello friends, in this video we have studied the reverted gear train. In previous lecture we have seen in previous two lecture we have seen what is the gear train, or then the types of the gear train, and the simple gear train, and the last video we have seen that the compound gear train, how the gear is mounted on the same shaft and how to produce the how to transmit the power from one shaft to the another shaft. In this video we have studied the reverted gear train. Reverted gear train, this is the diagram. This is the diagram of the reverted gear train. This is the gear A, or wheel A is mounted on the mounted on the B, means the gear D is mounted on the A, and gear C is attached to the gear D, and B is attached to the A, so that the power will be transmitted from the A to B, B to C, and C to D, so that the large amount will be power will be produced. A reverted gear train is a reverted gear train is used in the lathe machine, automobile, gearbox and clocks. Reverted gear कुठे कुठे यूज केले जातात तुमच्या ऑटोमोबाईल्स, lathe automobiles, gearbox मध्ये, clocks मध्ये, and gear of lathe मध्ये. Okay, now what is the construction? This is the construction, that is the gear D is mounted on the gear A, and A is attached to the gear B, and C D attach the C, so that this is the driving shaft and this is the driven shaft. Means this is the A is the driving shaft and the D is the driven shaft. The driven shaft means this will be connected to the transmit the power to various component. Okay, so this is the construction. Third is the is given that it is the spherical case of a compound gear train in which the axis of the driven gear in the line with the driving gear. काय सांगितलेलं आहे त्यांनी? इट इज द स्पेशल केस ऑफ द कंपाऊंड गिअर. हे काय असणार तुमचे कंपाऊंड गिअर, इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ द कंपाऊंड गिअर, बट इट इज द स्पेशल केस ट्रेन इन विच द ॲक्सेस ऑफ द ड्रिव्हन शाफ्ट गिअर इन लाईन विथ द ड्रायव्हिंग गिअर. म्हणजे जे ड्रायव्हिंग गिअर आणि ड्रिव्हिंग गिअरचं जे लाईन ऑफ ॲक्शन आहे ते काय असणार, द सेम ॲक्सेसवर असणार आहे. ओके, देन गिअर ए इज माउंटेड. काय सांगितलं, गिअर ए इज माउंटेड ऑन द ड्रायव्हिंग अँड D through the compound gear B and C, while the axis of the driving and the driver shaft coincide. This guy gear A is mounted on the D through the compound gear B and C, while the axis of the driving and the driving shaft of the coincide, so that it is the coincide. Such a gear train are compact. Such a gear कसे असतात तुमचे, such a gear are compact and provide the high velocity ratio. हे gear काय असतात तुमचे, are compact and provide the high velocity ratio. The center distance between the shaft is given. Center distance काय दिलं तुमचं, radius of the RA plus R beam, radius of the RA plus R beam is equal to RC plus RD. Okay, if RD. Okay, if the teeth of all the wheels have the same model or pitch, the number of teeth are proportional to their pitch radius. काय सांगते, if the teeth of all the wheels have the same model, जर त्याच्यावरचे जे नंबर ऑफ टीथ आहे त्याचे जर सेम मॉड्यूल असेल और पिच असेल, द नंबर ऑफ टीथ proportional to the pitch radius, that is TA plus TB is equal to TC plus TD. Sky TA plus TB is equal to TC plus TD. Okay, then what is the reverted gear train? Reverted gear train is the special case of the compound gear train. Okay, gear A is the mounted on the D, and D is attached to the gear C, and C is attached A is attached the B, so that the power will be transmit through the B, and B will be transmit to the C, and C will be drive to the gear D. Okay, then such a gear train are compact. The gear train कसं तुमचे compact and provide the high velocity ratio. The center distance between the RA plus RB is equal to RC plus RD. If the teeth of the wheels are the of all the wheels have the same model or the pitch, that's a model or some असेल तर the number of teeth on the teeth proportional to their the pitch radius म्हणजे TA plus TB is equal to TC plus TD. TC plus TD. Okay, then what is the application of the gear train? म्हणजे हे gear train कुठं कुठं यूज केलं असतात reverted gear train? Gear of the lace, automobile gear box and clocks मध्ये. reverted gear train कुठं कुठं यूज केले जातात? लेथ मशीन मध्ये, ऑटोमोबाईल्स मध्ये आणि क्लॉक्स मध्ये यूज केले असतात reverted gear train. Okay, this is the reverted gear train. In next video we have seen that the epicyclic gear train. Okay, thank you.